I put them on and the world felt instantly softer. Late night walks with memories tied to every song. Beats Solo 4 wrapped comfort around my restless evenings. UltraPlush cushions cradle ears. Durability I truly trust. Ultralight ergonomic design makes hours feel like minutes. Flex grip headband holds steady through every smile and run. Ergonomically angled, adjustable ear cups fit just right. Sound surprised me with powerful, balanced, impossibly clear detail. Custom acoustic architecture and updated drivers bring emotion alive. Personalized spatial audio follows my head, placing music around me. Dynamic head tracking turns songs into intimate, moving scenes. On busy streets, Class 1 Bluetooth keeps the soundtrack steady. Fewer dropouts, longer range my music stays with me. Battery life surprised me, up to 50 hours non-stop. When time is tight, fast fuel gives 5 hours quickly. 10 minutes charging, 5 hours playing life feels uninterrupted. High-resolution lossless audio via USB-C or 3.5mm cable. Wired or wireless, the detail remains breathtakingly real. Dual compatibility surprises guests. One-touch pairing for iPhone and Android. Setup is instant. Everyone can connect and feel it. Calls feel intimate. Built-in microphone captures warmth and clarity. Voice assistant responds smoothly, like talking to a friend. Matte black looks timeless, matching every mood and outfit. Lightweight enough to forget, sturdy enough to trust always. I played old records, they felt brand new again. Morning runs became private concerts, every footstep in rhythm. Commuting felt softer, noise faded into personal soundtracks. Friends noticed the depth. They asked where I found them. I told them about the drivers, the acoustic magic inside. It's more than gadgets, it's the soundtrack to everyday moments. Comfort matters. UltraPlush keeps me present, not adjusting constantly. Adjust once, and the angled cups hug perfectly every time. They survived rainy walks, crowded trains, and long flights. High-quality calls meant I felt connected, even far away. Every voice sounded close, my mother's laugh brighter, clearer. These headphones became a gentle companion through small, big days. They carry memories with a warmth that feels personal. And when silence falls, they sit like familiar friend beside me. Matte black finish makes every evening feel quietly elegant. If you want comfort, power, and honest sound, this is it. Find your soundtrack. Try Beats Solo 4 today, feel home. One-touch pairing awaits. Bring everyone into your musical circle. Fast fuel rescues busy mornings, 10 minutes, hours of music. Take them, make memories, sound that holds your heart.